I'm Yanely, also known as Miss Be Helpful, with another FinCap Friday brought to you by NGPF. Did you know that 50% of Gen Zers in the United States have a credit card? Using credit in day-to-day life is probably pretty common for most teens and 20-somethings. But what's not very common is knowing what interest rate you'll be charged if you don't pay your credit card bill on time and in full. According to data from Bankrate, about 43% of Americans with credit card debt are not aware of what rates are associated with their cards. And what's really wild is that these rates can and do change from time to time. Credit card interest rates are variable rates, which means that they go up and down depending on the changes of other interest rates, like the rate that banks pay to borrow money from each other. And that's all based on interest rates set by the Federal Reserve, which is the central bank of the United States. In early 2023, the Federal Reserve raised interest rates because they were trying to slow down inflation, which means the increasing prices on goods and services. So those variable credit card interest rates also increased. But the thing is, credit card interest rates were already high in late 2022 with an average of 20% per year. That means that consumers that continued to carry credit card debt from month to month through 2023 would be paying even more in interest fees throughout the year. One survey from early 2023 found that 36% of US adults said their credit card debt outweighed what they had in emergency savings. Now, the total amount of credit card debt outstanding in the United States as of early 2023 reached a record high of $986 billion, with the average consumer balance rising to $5,805. At a 20% interest rate, that would take over 17 years to pay off in full if only the minimum payment was made every month. That would end up costing more than $8,200 in interest fees alone. That's why financial experts say that when interest rates are high, it's best to only use credit cards if you must use them. That means only use them to buy things that you need, not things that you want. It's also really important to put as much money as you can afford to put towards your credit card payments every month, because if you feel like you're only responsible for the minimum payment due each month, that's going to come back to haunt you when those interest fees start piling up.